On the road to 1K, and that's my birthday wish. We're gonna venture off into August, so you don't know, say the 29th of August, that's my birthday. I want that wish by then, you understand? So
hey, you with me baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom.
what's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest, so
And you don't see the magnificent king, no.
yes guys, so from you see by the title, you guys know which video we're gonna do today. So first and foremost, we just want to say big up on yourself and thank you for 500 subscribers. You don't know, we're on the road to 1K, guys.
On the road to 1K.
Hey.
Thank God for the 500.
Aye.
Just 500 more at uno.
Hey.
Get us to 1K, though. 1K.
1K.
1K. Bang,
Yes,
bang,
guys.
boom.
On the road to 1K, and that's my birthday wish. We're gonna venture off into August, so you don't know, say the 29th of August, that's my birthday. I want that wish by then, you understand? So we're gonna rock paper scissors to see who is gonna go first. Ready? Come on.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, catch you know.
Scissors cut up
Should I know you want
paper.
scissors first, you know?
Scissors cut up paper, so I'm gonna go first. I will have them written down, guys. So the first thing that I don't like, or I need you to know about me, is that I don't like lies or liar. You understand, people? If you know me, you know I'm always saying this: rather you beat me, kill me, more than tell lie upon me, because that one lie could cost me my whole life, my career, and so much for me. So I don't like lies and I don't like liars.
And you get that clear, so that's why we always have our receipt. We always have our receipt, so we can't tell a lie one week over yourself.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, alright guys, so big man thing. Honestly speaking, and the reason why me choose them tenure, because facts. The first one is this: I like to be stared at. When I like when me in the street and people are stare me down. Come like to them here, Chef Alexander in the street, or Ali, you know her as Ali on this channel. We in the street today, the bus stop half a tree, and this individual has stare me down, and I never like it. So when I go across and check it out, I realize it's a subscriber. Guys, when I say we in the street, not stare with them.
Just come up to us if you want to.
We're not afraid
yes,
to, yeah, we're not better than people. We're not feel like we're.
Guys, we're gonna give you a response if you come to us respectfully.
I don't like to be stared at.
Hold on, guys. You
That's
see, if you see
reality.
us in the street and you come to us respectfully, you will get back that same respect. You understand?
Yeah, so you know you watch channel right now, so when I like to be stared at, you just shout with or forward cross.
Yeah.
You will get a response, brother. I know what I feel like you're going to say King&Ally, you're going to hold it straight and pass, you know, bro.
You know what? We
not
don't support us.
We not do that.
So we can, you know?
Alright,
and
so.
the second one for me is I don't like hypocrites. You
Talk
understand?
truth, no, man. Talk
Guys,
truth.
you see, if
Right true, we not like hypocrite.
if I've said
Nobody
something,
likes hypocrite. Sorry to
no,
cut you.
me personally, if I've said something and you take offense to that, come and tell me. Don't gossip in your group or your cliques or whatever. You come and say that to me, because maybe you are taking it the wrong way and I didn't mean it so strong, or however you might take it. You understand? So I just not like hypocrites. If you have a problem or whatever, you just come to me straightforward, because if you know me, you know that I'm a straightforward person, and just I'm gonna tell you the truth, whether or not you like it. The truth is just the truth.
And next thing, guys, them thing I don't have to know. That's the reality.
Yes,
when
guys.
you need to know this, so when you see we in the street, you know, say, yo, King not like that, Ali not like that, or
So
King
don't
love
do
this,
that.
Ali not like that,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to do this or whatever.
Exactly.
I understand, because remember your first impression.
Last.
Last.
See that, guys? The
breeze
paper blow
blow
away.
the paper. Alright.
That all it do.
So you see, the second thing about me what I don't really like, guys, I don't like to repeat myself. I don't like to be repetitive. I don't like when you guys ask a question and I give you an answer, you're like, what is what and what is that and what is what? Because you just asked me and I just gave you an answer. So I'm not really like to repeat myself. You get me upset, you get me flustered. The reality that. And to avoid that is to listen keenly.
That's so true.
That's
and guys,
the reality.
us saying King saying that that's for both of us, because remember that we do business and stuff like that. So when we put out something and we give definite instructions on how to go about doing it and all of that, and you're going to call us asking how we do that and how we do that, when we have specific instructions on how you get that done. You understand? So just read carefully and listen carefully, and don't let us repeat more than once.
And that will make our life easier.
Yeah.
You understand? Because from school days, me and you know, say, a good listener is a good learner.
Alright.
That's the reality.
Yes, guys. And the third one for me is I don't like negative energy / bad vibes, guys. When I like that positivity right through.
Talk truth, no man.
Positive thoughts.
Right through.
Positive thoughts, get out positive thinking, and that just make you a positive person. You understand? Who wants to be negative and cloud up them brains with negative things? What if the past and all of them something? No, positive, move forward, smile, be joyful, thank God for your day. You know?
The next thing about me, what you need to know is this, guys. I'm straightforward. And when I say straightforward, I'm not talking about me just talk and make you know say yo, so forth. Me is a person like this. Me rather you feel away than me feel bad. Because I'm going to tell you the truth. That's just the reality. So nobody feel like say me I go see you and mess up and I go hold it down because you're my friend or because you're one of my supporters. I'm going to tell you the truth, bro. That is just the reality.
Truth is just the truth.
Nah, go pretty up nothing for nobody.
That's
you understand? Because at the end of the day, me, you write your own recommendation. From me I go school, me know that. You write your own recommendation. So me can't lie for you. You understand? I will have your back. But me can't lie for you. Because at the end of the day, me lying for you and you go there with and make me look bad. Joke thing, you know, make no sense. You understand? So the reality is this. Very straightforward. So if you come to me with crap, I can just put you in your place.
And guys, being straightforward, that's one of my own, just the same. I'm a very straightforward person, as King said before. If I see something I go wrong, it no matter if me or your friend, I go tell you straight up. That way you do, I not like that, and next time don't do that while I'm around. Fix up that, you understand? If you say something where me feel bad, I go tell you straight up. I not go behind your back and talk, I go tell you straight up. That way you do, I never like that, so don't do that again. You understand?
As I tell you before, guys, I prefer you feel bad than me feel
and
away.
it's not a matter of you feeling bad,
and
it's just
feel
the
like
truth.
Disrespect, because that is just the reality.
Exactly.
I'm going to tell you the truth, brother, and the truth always hurts. You understand?
Because it's the same. So, if you make a person, if a person make you feel uncomfortable, you would like them to know. So it's just basically the same, right? And one for me is I'm a very punctual person, and King actually pointed out this to me while we were coming up with these. You understand? I'm a very punctual person. I'm on time. And
like
in no time. No time.
Whenever don't you tell us you're pound to what you're going to say me no time. That never need to talk about on the camera.
The facts, in no time.
Yo, Jaja.
In no time. So that's why it's good for always have a punctual one, you know? Yeah.
Alright guys, the next thing, me don't believe in regrets. I don't even like use the word regret. I understand because me no regret nothing what me do. That's the reality. So if you're going to do something where you are going to regret, nobody do it.
That's so true.
And I talk to enough of the young youth them and the young females them. Because them do a bag of thing right now, and I know that in the long run it will affect them.
In the future, that's just going to mash up your career, and
them and them not really understand them. Look on them and I say, guys, watch you pray, and this and that and that. But them watch the internet, them watch the movies, and them watch how people live them life, and them some of them come from a background where you understand, so them just feel like that's the way. But anything I do, guys, I'm not going to regret it nobody do, because me not live in no regret. Me not going to say if me did know, more to do this or more to do that or more.
And sometimes them say if them did know, and you know basically, you know when people use that term that if me did know, them actually know. People always tell you about just because you're in at the moment, you say if me did know. Stop coming up with excuses and just face reality.
Solve the problem, brother.
Yeah.
Bro, mom, sister, brother, excuse not solve no problem.
That's so
you
true.
Understand? Because you can't go in front of your honor or my lord and tell them about say, I true, me did do this, why I never get to do that. No, you got prison.
That's so true.
Alright.
And the next one for me is this. I'm sometimes moody, guys. And this is just me. You understand? Sometimes it's an emotional roller coaster for me. And I'm this minute I might be in a good mood and the next minute I'm in not so a good mood, and I want person to understand that. You understand? Understand when I'm not in a good mood and be respectful of it, you know? But I try to be in a good mood all the time.
As you're talking about good mood and be respectful, guys, I can be very disrespectful at times. I have my time when me just in my zone. So, as I say, guys, being annoyed is one. Being repetitive is one. I don't like to repeat myself. Them things that make me get disrespectful. Being annoyed allow me to get disrespectful. And when I say disrespectful, I mean like say you're never rush out with a big board or I'm gonna start my mind and how it come off. You're gonna say that you tell another man as him dark and fooly. It's not dark and fool. But don't tell you the things them women like and you guys still doing it. So I can just come off a way where you're gonna feel like say, yo, him feel like him better than me, or him feel like him in a better position or whatever. Careless. I don't give a damn what you think, because at the end of the day, me I make sure say me comfortable within myself. And from my conscience set me free, I shall be free. So you can keep it and go on with fear thing. I'm matter of fact, roll a big stone for that man. What?
Yes guys, and if you reach this far and you're not yet subscribed, hope you consider subscribing, be a part of the 8K gang. Yes.
Bang, bang, boom.
And to all our new subscribers, welcome. We appreciate you over here. You
and
don't
when the
know?
video you drop, we want to say 600 around there. So.
Over here, so
Yeah.
we do positive energy, good vibe,
Vibes.
and feel free to share out the content, guys. And I'm gonna jump in the next one, and that's I appreciate simple things, and I'm a simple person, guys. I just work with what I am comfortable with.
Because we're simple.
Yeah.
Simplicity where we used to survive.
Guys, that don't mean we don't like nice things, you know. We're not the
Don't
ones.
get it twisted.
We're not the ones, and I must say I'm not the one to be all up in the fast life.
No, we're not in the fast lane.
If you watch the previous video, you notice that I had my hair done, right? And now you see me back in this. And as I'm telling you all the time, it's not a matter that I cannot get my hair done. It's the matter that I like wearing my natural hair, and I just like to be me. Sometimes I don't want to have no. You understand? I don't know if you not get what me I say, but what I'm saying is this: I like simple things. So me wearing my natural hair, that's not to say, oh, she can't do her hair, she a YouTuber. No, that's just the fact to say.
No, people will talk, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So. That's why I'm setting it straight.
We left them to talk.
Guys, I just like my natural hair. So sometimes I'll rock it, and sometimes I'll have in braids and whatever.
We do it all comfortable. We just state that in the same thing we're talking about right now.
Simple.
Alright, guys.
Simple.
See me? Dedicated, I'm passionate about anything we make. So if you give me a job, for example, let's make it a simple scenario. You give me a job to paint your house.
Yeah.
And you tell me say you have $2. But rightfully I $10 more. And me take the job for $2. Not because I take it for $2.
You're not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it good. I do it to the best of my ability. So that is just me.
And guys,
you understand? Because me sure just nobody take it then if me feel like something
yes,
I overwork myself.
And you see, sometimes we should be dedicated more than watching the money, because we don't know the opportunities that might come for us, you know? You might be at a workplace and you're there for a long time and you've been getting underpaid and stuff like that, and you now do the work good and them something there. That doesn't mean you're not supposed to do your work good, whilst you have somebody that's been there and still not getting the rightful pay, but they're doing the right thing, and you know that might give that person the edge over you when they're leaving and need a recommendation.
If there's a promotion, that person will be matriculating.
That's
you will
so
be stuck down there, because at the end of the day you always drag your foot, because you watch the money, so you drag your foot. You see me, I'm going to the last one right now because we don't want it drawn out.
Yes,
you
guys.
Guys, me not drink. No farmer alcohol.
Guys, and in that case, I must say
None.
I'm not a.
You understand? So if you see me in the street, in the dance and the party, and I'm a subscriber and I love the vibes, and so we have one. I feel like you want to send a back across. Me not drink alcohol.
Just send across.
Send a bottle of water.
Malta
or a Malta.
Yeah.
I want juice. I want Visa.
Yeah.
Because we in the streets and people are sent back up on the table. I'm not talking about one little flask, I'm talking about quart. So guys, you know yourself too, brother. We don't drink alcohol.
Yes, guys.
Drink alcohol.
For me, I would say I'm not a person that abuses the liquor, but me we just take a 1 cup and that's it. You understand?
See, you take a 1 cup, but me, I use it none at all.
Me take a 1
Only
cup
time I
and
use
that's it.
alcohol in the food when I cook. That are the only
But
alcohol
for
use.
me, I am not a smoker. I don't do that.
I
No,
understand.
that's
I
not me.
don't use alcohol none at all. But I take a draw though. You know that?
Alright, yes
I
guys.
drink the alcohol.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. So you don't know, we've come to the end. I'm gonna give you the thought for today. And remember, in everything you do, put God first. Stay positive, stay blessed, and whatever you're doing, do it to the best of your abilities. And any obstacle that come in your way, you don't know, pray and ask God to remove it and just leave it all up to Him.
Look for the banger challenge them come.
Yes guys.
Banger challenge them come. We just break the challenge them and they skip them for a while to talk to them. I'm not gonna know why because today I have a tree make me really do that video. So stay tuned, look out for the banger them. We'll catch you on the back. But before I go, what some man where you par with some girl where your wife up my friend give me a knife cut. Bang! Bang! Boom!
We're out.
Pam 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 pam.